Hello guys, my name is Himanshu. So guys, this is what my profile looks like. I had a 99.74 percentile on the verbal section in CAT 2016. I had calls from IIM Bangalore, Indore and Shillong. I have done MA and MPhil in English literature and I have a 10-year experience of teaching students. So guys, आज का जो session है हमारा basically, this session is going to be on paragimals. So this is the paragimals masterclass. See, the aim of this session is to teach you step by step how to solve paragimals. Today I'm going to pick up questions that are actual CAT questions of paragimals and you will see for yourself how the questions are to be solved. Now guys, this is a recorded session, so that means that most of you would be watching it in the recorded version. So how you have to go about this session? So first look at the introduction. Okay, I'm going to introduce the idea of paragimals, how to solve them, the tricks and strategies for the first 10 minutes. Then in the later part of the session, okay, 10 minutes ke baad mein, I'm going to pick up around 14 questions, okay, one by one, and these questions will range from easy to medium to difficult. Right, so I'm going to start with the easy questions. Okay, the easy questions are also actual CAT questions, the medium ones are also actual CAT questions, and the difficult ones are also actual CAT questions, right? So I'm going to go from easy to medium to difficult, and I want you people to watch each of these questions. Um, I'm going to give you 2 minutes to solve the question. Okay, for the easy ones, I'm going to give you around 30 seconds to solve, right? And you can take more time if you want by pausing the video, but the time that is required to solve a CAT level parageable question is around 1 minute 30 seconds to 2 minutes. तो मैं आपको उतना time दूंगा, but then if you want some more time, you can always pause the video and then you can solve the question on your own and then you can listen to the explanation. Right. So don't directly go to the explanation. First, pause the video, okay, or you can just wait for 2 minutes and then look at the solution. Right. So, guys, that is how the session is going to work out. Right. So that is what is going to happen in today's session. So let me tell you something about Unacademy. Unacademy is the online learning platform through which I am interacting with you. I hope you have downloaded the Unacademy app. If you haven't, okay, you can download the app. So there are a lot of teachers who are teaching on Unacademy. You have free content as well as paid content, right? So guys, a lot of people are taking advantage of the free content that is available. So a lot of people are accessing the free content. Apart from that, you have the paid version also. So when you download the app, you find both the types of content. You have free content and the paid content. Right. So guys, if you look at the paid content, the best version that the best option that we have is the 1 year plan, and for the 1 year plan, it works out to be the cheapest on the monthly basis. So अगर आप में से कोई decide करता है, if anyone who decides to purchase the paid version, then this is my code HSINGH, HSINGH. Okay, so you can use this on the Unacademy app to buy the course, right? So guys, आप ये वाला code use कर सकते हो to purchase the course. Okay, so students, आज का अपना plan start करते हैं. Paragimbals master class. Okay, so I'm going to first talk about the basics and then we move on to the questions one by one. Okay, so let me look at the basics, right? So first point, know the story. Now see, there is already a session where I discuss the various grammatical aspects, the use of adverbs, the use of nouns, the use of conjunctions, etc. etc. आप चाहो तो आप वो सेशन भी देख सकते हो बाद में. Okay, but एक चीज मैं आपको यहाँ पे बताता हूँ. One of the most important things for cat level paragimbals is that you should be able to connect with the content of the paragimbal. You should be able to work out that story. देखो हर स्टोरी का एक फ्लो होता है. ओके, स्टोरी कहीं से स्टार्ट हुई, क्या बातचीत हो रही है, उसका एक इंट्रोडक्शन होगा, एंड देन आई मूव ऑन टू द मेन एजेंडा दैट इज बीइंग डिस्कस्ड एंड देन फाइनली इट कम्स टू एन एंड, राइट? सो इफ यू अंडरस्टैंड द स्टोरी, यू अंडरस्टैंड द फ्लो. अब प्रॉब्लम ये होती है कि कॉम्प्रिहेंशन के टाइम पे व्हेन वी आर रीडिंग द क्वेश्चन, समटाइम्स वी आर नॉट एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड द फ्लो, वी आर नॉट एबल टू रिकॉग्नाइज एग्जैक्टली व्हाट इज द डिस्कशन ऑल अबाउट. तो गाइज, लिंक्स निकालने हैं, बट उसके साथ साथ हमें एक चीज का ध्यान रखना है दैट आई शुड बी एबल टू मेक सेंस ऑफ व्हाट इज बीइंग डिस्कस्ड. Now, this is something that's very important. If you do not make sense of what is being discussed, it's much better that you leave the question. So, guys, अगर 5 options हैं, 4 options हैं, मैं ऑप्शंस को रीड कर रहा हूँ, मुझे नहीं समझ में आ रहा कि अरे क्या बात चल रही है, ठीक है, मैंने 30 seconds 40 seconds 50 seconds हो गए, मुझे नहीं समझ में आ रहा, ठीक है. सो इट्स मच बेटर दैट यू लीव द क्वेश्चन बिकॉज you have only 1.5 to 2 minutes to solve the question. तो होगा क्या कि यार आप टाइम वेस्ट करोगे, उससे बेटर है कि अगर आपको लग रहा है आपने काफ़ी टाइम दे दिया बट फिर भी स्टोरी समझ में नहीं आ रही, तो इट्स मच बेटर दैट यू लीव द क्वेश्चन। अदरवाइज़ इफ यू are able to solve the equation, it means that you have been able to understand the story. Okay, तो वो स्टोरी देखने की भाई क्या बात हो रही है, ठीक है, what is the discussion all about? Okay, what is the discussion all about, right? And then once you know what is the discussion all about, you will naturally know where it starts, where it ends, and what is the middle part. Right? तो वो चीज हमें प्रैक्टिस करनी है। मैं भाई आपको आज के सेशन में आप देखना क्वेश्चन बाय क्वेश्चन में आपको चीज दिखाऊंगा, ठीक है, तो जस्ट ऑब्जर्व। Second is look for the transition words. Now we all know what transition words are. Transition words are the words that show some sort of transition. Okay, so I hope by this time we have already seen a lot of those transition words. Okay, although का क्या role है, yet का क्या role है, okay, henceforth का क्या role है, okay, for example का क्या role है, and का क्या role है, ठीक है। So मुझे पता है कि कुछ words होते हैं जिससे मुझे idea लग जाता है that which sentence comes after uh, which other sentence. Okay, so like I can always connect those sentences by looking at the transition words. Again, if you haven't looked at the previous session, तो आप उसमें देखना, I have discussed a list of transition words. Okay, so you can always have a look at that session as well in the playlist. Okay, look for pronouns and their antecedents. Now guys, this is very important. Look for pronouns, okay, personal pronouns. Look for your demonstrative pronouns, okay, and always try to see the antecedent. Antecedent is basically the noun that comes before the pronoun to which the pronoun targets. So it means that when you use a pronoun, it is always in reference to some noun. Okay, so when you look at the options, like for example, in a certain option you have used he, तो उसका कोई नेम होगा जिसके लिए आपने ही यूज किया है, ठीक है। सो लाइक यू कैन ऑलवेज गो बैक एंड ट्रेस किया, ठीक है, वेयर इज द नेम ऑफ द पर्सन, ओके, व्हाई आई हैव यूज्ड ही हियर। Similarly, if you are referring to something singular and it's non-living, you will use it. Okay, so let's say previous sentence में कोई abstract noun है और उसके लिए आपने next sentence में it use किया है, तो once you identify it, you know that okay, there is something that is a noun and that noun is being targeted by this pronoun it. तो बहुत easily मिल जाते हैं, ठीक है। So look for those pronouns. Okay, then there's a category of pronouns like this, that, these, those. Okay, that are known as demonstrative. Okay, so demonstrative pronouns का जो जो सबसे अच्छा चीज होता है वही होता है that you can always go back and see that where is the reference to this demonstrative pronoun. So this आया तो किसके लिए आया है, that आया तो किसके लिए आया है, okay, so this, that, these, those, okay, these people, okay, these people, अच्छा ठीक है, तो these किसके लिए आया है, okay, this is not accepted, so this किसके लिए आया है। So you can always go and trace the reference for this, that, these, those, and like it would help you to connect. Okay, look for proper nouns and their full names. Now this is something that most of you I think already know कि when you have a full name is followed by the surname, right? So when you have a proper noun, okay, you know that okay, this comes pehle, okay, and then proper noun is followed by the common noun or maybe the surname of that person. Okay, so full name पहले आएगा, full name के बाद में आपका surname वगैरह जो भी आएगा। लुक फॉर आर्टिकल्स, ओके, सो डेफिनेट आर्टिकल्स, इनडेफिनेट आर्टिकल्स, आर्टिकल्स को हमेशा देखना है क्योंकि आर्टिकल्स के थ्रू हमें पता चल जाता है कि इससे जस्ट पहले, okay, let's try to understand like this, like when you open a discussion you always open it with an indefinite article, but once you have opened a discussion then you use a definite article. Okay, मैं एक एग्जांपल समझाता हूँ, देखो, सपोज मैंने आपसे कहा a car met with an accident in the jungle, a car met with an accident in the jungle. The second sentence would be the car was severely destroyed, the car was fully destroyed. So when I say a car met with an accident, okay, the next sentence is the car was destroyed. So when I say a car met with an accident, second में क्या है, the car. So the car comes बाद में and like a car comes पहले. So you always find that the like when you have the indefinite pronouns always precedes the definite pronouns, right? So वो सारी की सारी चीजें हमें देखनी है। Best introduction, discussion कहाँ से start हो रहा है। Now with practice you know exactly which is the opening sentence. Look for general to specific. अब होता क्या है, कई बच्चे ना जनरल नहीं समझ पाते। देखो डेफिनेशन जो होती हैं, ओपनिंग स्टेटमेंट्स होते हैं जहां पे आप चीजों को डिस्क्राइब करते हो, वो इंट्रोडक्शन होते हैं, ठीक है। तो व्हेन यू रीड दी सेंटेंसेस ऑलवेज सी कि यार इंट्रोडक्शन कहाँ पे है, जनरल बात कहाँ हो रही है, डेफिनेशंस कहाँ बताई जा रही हैं, चीजों को आप ओपन अप कहाँ कर रहे हो, चीजों को आप फर्स्ट टाइम कहाँ एक्सप्लेन कर रहे हो? वंस यू एक्सप्लेन समथिंग इन जनरल देन यू मूव ऑन टू द स्पेसिफिक। आया समझ में? तो इंट्रोडक्शन जो होगा ना वो हमेशा जनरल तरीके के बात होगी और उसके बाद फिर स्पेसिफिक एग्जांपल्स आएंगे, स्पेसिफिक चीजें आएंगी। लुक फॉर कंक्लूजन। तो गाइज इंट्रोडक्शन पता लगाना बहुत जरूरी है। कंक्लूजन ऑप्शनल होता है, क्योंकि कंक्लूजन कई बार हमें जरूरत नहीं पड़ती क्योंकि हमें लिंक्स मिल जाते हैं। बट फिर भी अगर कोई स्टेटमेंट ऐसा है where the discussion comes to an end, you should have enough practice to exactly know where the discussion is coming to an end, which sentence is the final, or like the conclusion or the final verdict कि यार यहाँ पे ना चीजें बातें अब कंक्लूड हो गई, यहाँ पे चीजों को अब हमने एंड कर दिया। तो यार ये जो क्वालिटी है ना कि कैसा सेंटेंस कंक्लूजन होता है, ये थोड़ी प्रैक्टिस से आता है। So what you have to do is that you have to solve some parajimbals. Okay, you can go through these sessions. Okay, that I have put. You can also like obviously want to have a look at the questions that I discuss in this session. So guys, वो जो लास्ट वाला सेंटेंस है ना वो थोड़ा सा क्या आपको प्रैक्टिस से पता चलता है कि यार ये सेंटेंस एंड करेगा, राइट? So I hope वो समझ में आ जाएगा आपको, ठीक है? As I go through the discussion, you would see that there are certain types of sentences that indicate that okay, this is the sentence that put the whole discussion to the end. Okay, so you have to identify that conclusion, right? So I hope ये समझ में आए। 8 पॉइंट्स हैं, बड़े सिंपल पॉइंट्स हैं, ठीक है? अब अपन चलते हैं मेन क्वेश्चन पे। Now for the question, I'm going to give you some time. Okay, you open your notebooks, solve the question. Okay, and as the timer ends, then we start with the discussion. Okay, so guys, this is the first question. This is the actual cat question. It came in cat I think 1996 or 97, and it's a easy question. और ये मत एज्यूम करना कि कैट में पैराजिम्बल आएगा तो हमेशा टफ ही आएगा, ऐसा नहीं है। ओके, देयर इज ऑलवेज सम इजी क्वेश्चंस एंड देयर आर सर्टेन डिफिकल्ट क्वेश्चंस। तो डिफिकल्ट हम छोड़ देते हैं, या अगर हम कर भी देते हैं तो भी क्या नुकसान है? टीटा टाइप क्वेश्चन है, हमें कोई नुकसान नहीं है, राइट? और आपके इजी क्वेश्चन भी बहुत सारे आते हैं, ठीक है? सो दिस इज वन ऑफ दोस क्वेश्चंस दैट आर इजी एंड इट्स एक्चुअल कैट क्वेश्चन। सो गाइस टेक अराउंड 30 seconds to 1 minute एंड देन आई टेक इट फॉर डिस्कशन। ठीक है, तो 30 सेकंड्स के लिए वेट करते हैं, फिर मैं डिस्कशन स्टार्ट करता हूँ। ओके, सो गाइस लेट्स टेक इट फॉर डिस्कशन। आई थिंक आई हैव ऑलरेडी गिवन इनफ टाइम। तो देखते हैं क्वेश्चन। सो नाउ व्हाट आई हैव, ओके, फोर ऑप्शंस। A option says still Sophie might need open heart surgery later in life. B option says but with the news. While the condition sounds bad, C option, and D option has the full name Sylvester Stallone. So यार यहाँ पे where is the full name of the person Sylvester Stallone and the D option? Okay, that means this is the opening statement, because in the other options you find the mention in form of pronoun, and you're talking about the daughter also, but then the main discussion is of this person and this is the full name of that person. If you look at all these statements, say C option while से start हो रहा है, B option but से start हो रहा है, A option still से start हो रहा है, so these do not look like opening statements. So best option starting क्या है? D option. Sylvester Stallone has made millions of dollars, millions, and built thriving career out of looking invincible. Invincible means no one can defeat him, right? So Sylvester Stallone has made millions and looks like no one can defeat him. He's invincible. फिर भी still Sophie might need, okay, sorry, not this here, right? Okay, but with the news that his infant daughter Sophie had a hole in her heart, he appears quite vulnerable. So guys देखो B option में ही आ रहा है, ठीक है. So B option में ही आ रहा है. Okay, this he refers to Sylvester Stallone, right? So that means this is a this is a link, because once you see but, okay, but किसको contrast कर रहा है, that he looks invincible but he has now become vulnerable. Vulnerable is who is vulnerable? A vulnerable person is someone who can be attacked easily, someone who is prone to attack. So invincible and vulnerable are actually antonyms, अगर आपको नहीं पता तो D option and B option, they are linked. Why they're linked? Because in B option you have the full name, and in B option you have the you have the pronoun he, and then there is also contrast because but के बाद में लिखा है कि now he appears vulnerable and his daughter has a hole in the heart. That means कि now you are talking about an opposite idea. That means कि अभी तक आप बोल रहे थे कि invincible है, but now he appears vulnerable. So DB very easily. ओके, सो डीबी का लिंक हो गया. ठीक है. अच्छा, नाउ यू हैव डिस्क्राइब द कंडीशन. डिस्क्राइब किया कंडीशन दैट देयर इज अ होल इन द हार्ट. नाउ यू से व्हाइल द कंडीशन साउंड्स बैड. तो भाई ये जो कंडीशन है वो कौन सी कंडीशन है? द हार्ट कंडीशन दैट यू हैव जस्ट रेफर्ड. सो दिस वर्ड व्हाइल इज अ ट्रांजिशन वर्ड. इट शोज कि सुनने में तो इट साउंड्स बैड, बट देन इट्स नॉट लाइफ थ्रेटनिंग. It's not life threatening, right? So that means you're referring to the same heart condition that we talked about in the B option, and you're saying that okay, though it's a condition, but then still it's not going to kill that person. It's not life threatening. So this B and C are also linked. अच्छा, फिर आप लास्ट में बोलते हो कि लाइफ थ्रेटनिंग तो नहीं है, बट स्टिल देयर माइट बी अ नीड ऑफ ओपन हार्ट सर्जरी लेटर इन द लाइफ. ठीक है कि later in the life there might be a need of a open heart surgery. So this is the ending statement that okay, still despite everything, that it's not dangerous, it's not life threatening, and it corrects itself and it can improve itself over a period of time, but still there might be a need. There might be a need, हो सकता है कि जरूरत पड़े एक open heart surgery की later in the life. Now this is the ending statement because that is where the discussion comes to an end. So guys, this is the sequence DBCA, and I hope you have solved this question in 30 to 40 seconds. So this was an easy question. Okay, I hope you made sense of it. Okay, so we are starting with easy question. So यार ये काफी अच्छा question था, काफी मतलब normal question था, 30-40 second types. Okay, so I hope you understood this one. चलो next पे चलते हैं. Okay, so your time starts now. For this question, I'm going to give you 1 minute and then I take it for discussion. वैसे this is again an easy question, so some of you might solve it in like 30-40 seconds also. Like 30-40 seconds, I think, is more than enough for this. And this is also a cat question. Okay, it came in cat 97 or 90. So guys, last 15 seconds, and then we start with a discussion. Last 15 seconds. Okay, so time up, time up, time up. Chalo, let's start with the discussion. So देखो, you have the Saheli program. Okay, so this is the name of the program. फिर मेरे पास क्या है? Okay, holiday package. Okay, holiday package की बात हो रही है. Okay, holiday package includes. So there's some sort of holiday package that is being discussed. Let us have a look at ANC option. The Saheli program run by US Cross Cultural Solutions is offering a 3-week tour of India that involves more than a frenzied sightseeing. So this A option talks about 3-week tour. 3-week tour. Okay, it's going to be a 3-week tour. That means this is the holiday package that is being referred to. Because 3 week का tour है, that means this is the holiday package that is being talked about here. So holiday package वो 3 week में क्या होने वाला है? Includes all sort of topics, but female infanticide must be a first for tourism. So A and C option are linked because in C option you say holiday package, and where is the holiday package? This 3-week tour. So A and C are linked, right? Acha, now D option says interspersed with these talks. That means that you've already mentioned the talks before. Where are the talks mentioned? B option. Participants interested in women issues will learn about arranged marriages, dowries, and infanticide. So these are the talks. Participants interested in women issues will learn about arranged marriages, dowries, and infanticide. So these are the talks. And these talks के साथ में what is going to happen? Interspersed with these talks and meetings are visits to cities like New Delhi, Agra, Taj Mahal. So we can clearly see that B option talks about the talks, the discussions that are going to happen, and B option talks about what is going to happen apart from these talks. Interspersed with these talks and meetings are visits to cities like दिल्ली आगरा होम टू ताजमहल तो गाइज ये आपका लिंक बन गया ACBD आई होप ये क्वेश्चन समझ में आ गया काफी इजी क्वेश्चन था ओके आई होप लाइक so we have solved it in under 1 minute okay so this is the link ACBD and that is the answer. Sure. Moving on to the next question. So this is a very easy question, 30 seconds max, 30-second max. Okay, again a cat question and then I take it for discussion. So jaldi se dekho 30 seconds का time है and then I take it for discussion. 20 seconds left. Do it quickly. Okay, so time up. Go. Let's solve this. Okay, so you have this. It is getting smaller. तो किसकी बात हो रही है? Something magical is happening to our planet. Okay, planet noun, the noun, the pronoun. So that means you see something magical is happening to our planet. It's getting smaller. Okay, some are calling it a paradigm shift. Some others. So some comes पहले. Okay, because some people are saying that it's the paradigm shift. बाकी लोग कह रहे हैं others call it a business transformation. So that means this sum comes पहले and then comes the others. Okay, some people are saying that it's the paradigm shift, the others are saying that it's the business transformation. Now the sequence would be ACBD. Now those of you who are thinking why not like this? ऐसा क्यों नहीं हो सकता ABDC? पता है क्यों? In C option you mention it. In A option you mention the planet, our planet. So there is so much distance in ABDC between the pronoun and the noun. And always keep in mind that the pronoun and the antecedent should be kept as close as possible. So that is the problem with ABDC that C option and A option are way too far. This is the problem. That is why this link cannot work. On the other hand, if I look at AC, the good thing is that A mentions the planet, and again, you say that it is getting smaller. Now, in C option, it picks up the reference from planet. A planet is already mentioned in A option, so AC is very clearly link. Okay, and then BD is obvious, so it becomes AC BD. Okay, this is final answer. So I hope guys समझ में आ गया 30 seconds for this question. Okay, sure. Moving on to the next one. So for this question, I'm going to give you 1 minute and then we start with the discussion. So guys, your time starts now. I'm looking at the stopwatch. फिर 1 मिनट में discuss करेंगे. Okay, start solving the question. Twenty seconds, guys. 20 seconds left. Quickly solve the question. Okay, so students, time up. So those of you who haven't been able to solve can take some extra time. Okay, but otherwise, time is up. 1 minute up. Let's solve the equation. Okay. Uh, Options क्या क्या है? It begins, so this cannot be the starting statement. This can be the starting statement. India could be under attack from a class of germs that cause what is called as atypical pneumonias. Okay. The options is it appears like an ordinary flu. So what appears like an ordinary flu? Those atypical pneumonias. So that means very easily I can connect B and D option because the option says it. It talks about uh, this is the opening statement. It talks about pneumonia. So BD is linked. Okay, so D option says it appears like an ordinary flu, but baffled means confused. Doctors find that the usual drugs don't work. Okay, acha. Now you will say, how does it start? It begins with a fever and a moderate cough. Okay, so first of all, that is how it starts. Okay, it starts with a moderate cough. It starts with a moderate cough. फिर क्या होता है? Slowly, a sore throat progresses to bronchitis and then pneumonia and respiratory complications. So this is what happens finally. Okay, respiratory complications, pneumonias, respiratory complications, bronchitis, etc. तो यार बहुत easily C option में आपने final बात की कि this is what finally happens. Respiratory problems, pneumonia, bronchitis, etc. So क्या link होगा? The answer is final stages would be BD. Very easily. Okay, very easy question. And I hope you solved this. Okay guys, so next पे चलते हैं. This one. चलो. So now for this, take around 1 minute and then we take it for discussion. Last 20 seconds guys. 20 seconds करो solve करो. देखो क्या आंसर आएगा. Okay, चलो. Let's solve this. So if I look at all these statements, perhaps the well-known is the decline in writing skills can be stopped. So this looks like an opening statement. Today, back-to-back movements have already forced some schools to place, although से start नहीं होगा, which is the opening statement, the option. The decline in writing skills can be stopped. Now, let me show you one connection, one link. The option says, perhaps the best known is the Bay Area Writing Project. The best known of what? Writing projects. So, देखो, आप ही कह रहे हो कि the best one is this. So that means इससे पहले आपने उस चीज की बात क्योंकि जिसकी बेस्ट की आप बात कर रहे हो. देखो, if I look at D option, although the inability of teachers to teach writing successfully remains a big stumbling block, a number of programs have been developed. So there are a lot of programs which have been developed, but this is the best one. Perhaps the best is the Bay Area Writing Project. That means D option and A option are linked. ठीक है. अच्छा, डी ए का लिंक हो गया, तो इसको यहाँ पे अलग रख लेते हैं. ठीक है. अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट व्हाट इज हैपनिंग? डी ऑप्शन इज द स्टार्टिंग स्टेटमेंट, इंट्रोडक्शन है. Decline in writing class, the writing skills can be stopped. Today's back-to-back basic movement has already forced some schools to place renewed emphasis on the 3 hours. Now, this 3 hours is somehow related to the writing skills, and now to stop the decline in writing skills, the schools are paying focus on 3 hours. मतलब ये हुआ कि B के बाद में जो C ऑप्शन है वो भी लिंक हो रहा है. Okay, so the decline in writing skills can be stopped. कैसे stop करोगे? Like for example, today back to basic movement has already forced some schools to create renewed emphasis on the 3 Rs. Now we don't know what 3 Rs are, but let's assume that okay, these 3 Rs are somehow related to the steps taken by school to pay attention to the decline in writing skills. So DA बाद में आना चाहिए, BC पहले आना चाहिए, so that means the sequence should be ये. Okay, so guys ये समझ में आया कैसे होगा, ठीक है? So the answer is going to be B. Okay, that is the answer. Okay, so moving on to the next question. So this is the next question on this. Okay, so for this you can take more time. I'm going to give you 2 minutes for this, and then we take it for discussion. The time starts now. 2 minutes. One minute left, guys. 1 minute. Solve the question. Solve the question. Come up with the sequence. देखो क्या आंसर होगा. Last 10 seconds, guys. Last 10 seconds. जल्दी से आओ. निकालो answer. What should be the answer to the question? Okay, so let's take it this for discussion. Sure, let's see. If I look at all these statements, A option says if caught in the act, B option the bellicose Spartans sacrificed all the final things in life for military expertise. Now this looks like a good starting option because that is where the introduction is made. The bellicose Spartans. Bellicose means someone who is ready to pick a fight. Pugnacious, bellicose, quarrelsome, okay, truculent. They are all synonyms. तो bellicose का मतलब क्या होता है? जो लोग झगड़ा करने को तैयार होते हैं. तो bellicose Spartans sacrifice all the final things in life for military expertise. कि वो लोग बहुत sacrifice करते थे military expertise के लिए. So if I look at other options like this consisted, male children were examined, those fortunate, you find that out of all these options, this is the introduction that the Spartans made big sacrifices to get that advantage in military expertise. So यहाँ से चीजें start होती है. The bellicose Spartans sacrifice all the final things in life for military expertise. ठीक है. अब वो क्या करते थे? What do they do? This is what they used to do. Male children were examined at birth. Male children were examined at birth by the city council, and those deemed weak to become soldiers were left to die of exposure. Now, if you see C option में लिखा है those fortunate enough. तो यार एक चीज समझो. Male children were examined. The weak ones were left to die, and there were people who were not weak, who were strong, so they were fortunate. तो आप ये बोल रहे हो कि जो फर्स्ट स्टेप होता था वो होता था एग्जामिनेशन का. एग्जामिनेशन में इफ यू फेल्ड यू वर लेफ्ट टू डाई, एंड इफ यू वर फॉर्चुनेट यू विल सर्वाइव, राइट? तो ई ऑप्शन इज फॉलोड बाय सी ऑप्शन. हम बोलते हैं ना कि भाई जो अनफॉर्चुनेट होते थे उनकी डेथ हो जाती थी, और जो बचते थे उनके साथ फिर ये ट्रेनिंग होती थी. तो आपने कहा कि भाई मेल चिल्ड्रन वर एग्जामिन्ड एंड दोज हु वर नॉट like good enough they were left to die, and those who were fortunate, so this fortunate, those fortunate, जो those आ रहा है ना, ठीक है, ये हिंट करता है कि यार यहाँ से इसका लिंक है. ठीक है. Those fortunate enough to survive babyhood were taken from their mothers at the age of 7 to undergo rigorous military training. मिलिट्री ट्रेनिंग हो रही है, ठीक है। अच्छा, अब यहाँ पे देखो, दिस कंसिस्टेड, दिस, भाई इसकी बात हो रही है, दिस क्या चीज है ये? दिस इज बेसिकली मिलिट्री ट्रेनिंग। दिस कंसिस्टेड ऑफ beating and deprivation of all kinds, like going around barefoot in winter and worse starvation so that they could be forced to steal food to survive. This was the military training. Beatings, deprivations, going around barefoot in winter, starvation, and they were forced to steal food. So D option meant this refers to the military training. Okay, so the military training consisted of beatings and deprivations and all those things. So C option is followed by D option. अच्छा, अब D option में देखो क्या आ रहा है लास्ट के अंदर, so that they were forced to steal food to survive. तो military training के अंदर एक एस्पेक्ट ऐसा था कि like they were forced to steal food because they were not given food. अच्छा, आपने यहाँ पे कहा they were forced to steal food to survive, और अगर वो पकड़े जाते, if caught in the act, if they are caught in the act, which act? Which act? Stealing food. Which act? Stealing food. If caught in the act. Okay, so that means यहाँ पे this is going to be the option. So guys, very nice question, and it would take you around 2 minutes to solve this question. Okay, some of you might solve it even quicker, but मुझे लगता है कि 2 minutes में भी solve किया तो अच्छा किया, ठीक है। So this is the sequence. I hope you got the idea of how to solve this question. Okay, तो समझ में आ गया होगा क्वेश्चन, राइट? ओके, और काफी सारे हिंट्स भी इसमें हमें देखने को मिले। चलो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन में चलते हैं। सो मूविंग ऑन टू द नेक्स्ट वन, दिस इज द सेवंथ क्वेश्चन ऑन द स्क्रीन। A B C D E, 5 options are given. I'm going to give you 2 minutes for this as well, and then we take it for discussion. Okay, so time starts now. Start solving the question, then we take it for discussion. So करो भाई, क्या आंसर होगा इसका सेवंथ क्वेश्चन का, जल्दी से निकालो। ये वैसे अच्छा क्वेश्चन है, दिस इज अ गुड क्वेश्चन, एंड दिस इज एन एक्चुअल कैट क्वेश्चन। Guys, 1 minute left. 1 minute, 1 minute, last 1 minute. जल्दी सॉल्व करो and tell me what should be the answer. Last 20 second. Last 20 second, guys. देखो क्या आंसर होगा। ओके सो गाइस, टाइम अप फाइनली, चलो सॉल्व करते हैं। See, if I look at all the options, okay, A option starts with although, B option says once in office, quite often people, even those. So best starting statement is this. This is a general statement. वर्क इज नॉट इंट्रिंसिकली वैल्यूड इन इंडिया। इंडिया के अंदर वर्क की कोई अहमियत नहीं है, काम की कोई अहमियत नहीं है वर्क की। ओके, वर्क इज नॉट इंट्रिंसिकली वैल्यूड इन इंडिया। ओके, अच्छा, यहाँ पे ए ऑप्शन सेज ऑल्दो देयर आर लार्ज रीजनल वेरिएशंस। अभी देखो ये इंपॉर्टेंट है, ये एक है ना ब्लैंकेट स्टेटमेंट थी कि वर्क की कोई वैल्यू नहीं होती इंडिया में, फिर आप कह रहे हो कि हालांकि, ओके, ऑल्दो देयर आर लार्ज रीजनल वेरिएशंस। रीजनल वेरिएशंस कहाँ पे? इंडिया में। सी दिस इज लाइक दिस, मैं आपसे कहूँ कि यार इंडिया में जनरली लोग लेजी होते हैं, लेकिन ये चीज अलग अलग रीजन्स पे डिपेंड करती है कि आप कितने लेजी हो। कुछ वैसे अपन बात कर रहे हैं यहाँ पे कि इंट्रिंसिकली इंडिया में काम की कोई अहमियत नहीं है, लेकिन अलग अलग रीजन्स में अलग अलग तरह की चीजें आपको दिख सकती है. इट इज नॉट इनफ्रीक्वेंट टू फाइंड लार्ज नंबर ऑफ पीपल सिटिंग हियर एंड देयर एंड डूइंग नथिंग. ओके, वेरिएशंस हो सकती है. ठीक है, अंतर हो सकते हैं, वेरिएशंस हो सकती है. So this is linked. Okay, work is not intrinsically valued in India, although there are large regional variations. So variations हो सकती है. Regional variations कहाँ पे होंगी? इंडिया की बात हो रही है. अच्छा, अब तीन सेंटेंस बचे. बी सी डी. ओके, डी ऑप्शन क्या कह रहा है? इवन दोज वर एम्प्लॉयड. अच्छा, इवन दोज का मतलब कि वो लोग भी जो एम्प्लॉयड है. दैट मीन्स कि उससे पहले हमने जनरल लोगों की बात की होगी. सो यू टॉक अबाउट जनरल पीपल कहाँ पे? डी ऑप्शन में. क्वाइट ऑफन पीपल विज, सॉरी नॉट हियर. ओके, सो लुक हियर. तो एक तो हमारा आ गया सीक्वेंस ईए का. हाँ. हाँ, यहाँ से आएगा. लुक एट दिस. देखो, this says large number of people sitting here and there and doing nothing. And now if I look at this, even those who are employed. तो guys क्या हो रहा है कि आपने सबसे पहले कहा in India it is not a rare thing to find people sitting here and there and doing nothing. इंडिया में एक चीज बहुत कॉमन है that you will find that people are sitting and just wasting their time and doing nothing. और ऐसे लोग जिनके पास जॉब है वो भी. Okay, even those who are employed often come late to office and leave early unless they're forced to be punctual. So you have to understand this. First, you talk about normal people. It is not infrequent to find large number of people sitting here and there and doing nothing. And then you talk about people who are office goers and even those people who are employed. वो भी काम नहीं करते. Okay, they do not work unless they are forced to be punctual. अच्छा, अब एक चीज देखना. सबसे पहले आपने कहा even the people who are forced in the office do not work. Now, if you look at B and C option, B option says once in office. ठीक है, once in office. एक बार वो ऑफिस आ जाते हैं, they will receive friends and relatives who feel free to call anytime without prior appointment. And then you say quite often people visit ailing friends and relatives or go out of their way to help them in their personal matters even during their office hours. तो एक चीज समझना, ऑफिस आवर्स की बात आप कब करोगे? जब सबसे पहले आपने ऑफिस में एंट्री कर ली. तो आप एक टाइम सीक्वेंस देखो कि हो क्या रहा है. कि भाई सबसे पहले आपने कहा कि भाई जब वो ऑफिस में आते हैं, वंस इन ऑफिस दे रिसीव फ्रेंड्स एंड रिलेटिव्स हु फील फ्री टू कॉल एनी टाइम विदाउट प्रायर अपॉइंटमेंट. एंड इवन विद इन देयर ऑफिस आवर्स दे कैन गो आउट एंड विजिट एलिंग फ्रेंड्स एंड रिलेटिव्स. राइट. So if you see, this DBC is actually talking about people who go to office. ठीक है. तो बी डी ऑप्शन के अंदर सबसे पहले आपने बात की कि भाई ऑफिस में लोग आते ही लेट है. ठीक है, फिर आपने बी ऑप्शन में कहा चलो वो आ भी गए तो तो भी उनके रिलेटिव्स उनको मिलने के लिए आते रहेंगे बिना अपॉइंटमेंट के. और जब उनका ऑफिस का टाइम चल रहा होगा, एट दैट इन दैट ऑफिस टाइम आल्सो, ओके, दे विल डू देयर ओन पर्सनल मैटर्स. राइट. तो गाइस थोड़ा सा ध्यान से आप देखोगे ना, तो डी, बी और सी में ऑफिस की बात हो रही है, एक सीक्वेंस चल रहा है. डी ऑप्शन में आपने कहा कि लेट आते हैं ऑफिस के अंदर. ओके, एंड दे विल नॉट वर्क अनलेस दे आर फोर्स्ड टू बी पंक्चुअल. फिर आपने कहा बी ऑप्शन में कि वंस इन ऑफिस, चलो ऑफिस तो आ गए लेकिन अब वहां पे रिलेटिव्स और फ्रेंड्स उनसे मिलने आ रहे हैं. एंड देन फाइनली इन सी ऑप्शन यू से दैट even while their office hours are going on, they can actually go and visit ailing friends, relatives, okay, and they help them in personal matters even during their office hours. So basically, D, B, and C form a very strong link because all three talk about office. Okay, people who go to office. Okay, so यहाँ पे final sequence क्या हो जाएगा? E A, D B, C. And remember this that A and D were also linked. Okay, because A के अंदर जो all the आया था ना. Okay, sorry यहाँ पे even those were employed, right? So even those was also linking this to the A option, because A option was talking about the normal people who sit and do nothing. And then you said, and that is where the office door discussion starts, that even the people who are employed, they come late to office, right? So A and D are also forming a very strong link, and EA is a link and DBC is also linked. So finally, I can say that EADBC is the correct answer. So guys, I hope समझ में आ गया. Okay, now this was a good question and now we are moving on to the better level of questions. तो चीजें अब थोड़ी सी और better side पे हो रही हैं. ठीक है, मतलब थोड़ी सी अच्छे level की questions आ रहे हैं. Okay, so चलो next पे चलते हैं. Okay, so I'm going to again give you 2 minutes to solve this question A B C D. It's an actual CAT question and then we take it for discussion. So you have two minutes starts now. तो भाई 2 minutes start हो गए. Solve करो question and we take it for discussion. Quickly start solving the question. Let's see who is able to find out the answer. Guys, 1 minute left. 1 minute. Last 1 minute. Last 10 seconds. And then we take it for discussion. Last 10 seconds. Okay, so guys, now let us take it for discussion. Okay, so best starting statement. B option. Ambassadors have to choose their words. See, B option में, D option में, sorry, you have they. They do a specialized job and it's necessary for them to live ceremonial lives. So they cannot live normal lives, they have to live ceremonial lives, right? So B option is the introduction. Ambassadors have to choose their words. And then comes the D option. They do a specialized job and it is necessary for them to live ceremonial lives. अच्छा, यहाँ पे देखो their vision आ रहा है. Okay, that means this their vision refers to the uh, vision of these ambassadors. So that means this. See, ambassadors have to choose their words. Okay, why? They you do a specialized job and it is necessary for them to live ceremonial lives because we all know that ambassadors cannot just blurt out anything that comes to their mind because they have to be very cautious in what they say. So they have to use their words with caution. So in reference to ambassadors, you refer to they do a specialized job. Acha. Now, when I say as officials, their vision of the country shouldn't run too far beyond that of local people with whom they have to deal. ठीक है, तो आपने बात की उनके विजन की ऑफ विजन ऑफ अ कंट्री. So this their vision, where does it pick up its reference from? Okay, it actually picks up the reference from the ambassadors only. Okay, so यहाँ पे ये जो आपका their vision है, their vision की वजह से this A option comes after B option, right? So this is the sequence, and then finally you have the so. Okay, इसलिए so. Okay, so किस रेफरेंस में है जो आपने अभी ए ऑप्शन में कहा था. ठीक है, कि उनकी विजन उनके ऐसी होनी चाहिए कि उनके लोकल पीपल के साथ मैच करे. ऐसा नहीं कि उनके लोकल लोगों की सोच अलग है और ऑफिशियल्स की सोच अलग है. ठीक है, तो इसीलिए so with ambassadors as with other expatriates in Black Africa, there appears at first meeting a kind of ambivalence. Ambivalence means when you are not sure, when you are undecided, राइट. सो गाइज यहाँ पे ना जो सबसे अच्छा लिंक बन रहा है वो बन रहा है एक तो बीटी का. ठीक है, एंड देन यू हैव बी. Okay, so B option is the starting statement. Then you use they. They is basically a pronoun that refers to the noun ambassador, and then finally you say their vision. Okay, और ending statement C option है यहाँ पे क्या रहा है? So with ambassador with other expatriates, they are appear in the meeting a kind of ambivalence. Right. अच्छा पता है ये एक चीज मैं आपको समझाता हूँ कि यहाँ पे ambivalence क्यों हो रही है? क्योंकि ambivalence का मीनिंग होता है a sort of situation where you're not sure of what you want to say or like what is going inside your head. अब यहाँ पे पता है क्या हो रहा है? These officials have their own vision and the locals vision has to match with theirs. So it's like your vision should not go beyond the local vision. मतलब ये हुआ कि भाई लोकल लोग अगर कुछ सोच रहे हैं तो आपकी विजन और उनकी विजन के अंदर एक मैच होना चाहिए। अब यही रीजन है कि एक एम्बिवेलेंस की कंडीशन आ जाती है, वो इसलिए बिकॉज योर थिंकिंग एंड the thinking of the locals might not match in reality, but then still you have to ensure that it matches, right? So this is the reason of ambivalence. Okay, that is why you find that in the meetings or with ambassadors, okay, there is a ambivalence. क्यों ambivalence है? क्योंकि उनके विजन और जो लोकल पॉपुलेशन है उनके विजन को हम लोग रिकनसाइल कर रहे हैं, हम लोग मतलब एक साथ मैच करवा रहे हैं, लेकिन हो सकता है कि कई बार वो मैच नहीं हो पाए। ठीक है, सो मे बी लाइक दैट इज द सिचुएशन वाई there is always a sense of confusion that happens. Okay, so that is ambivalence. तो यहाँ पे यार ये जो C option है ना, ये काफी काफी perfectly like it comes after the A option. Okay, okay, because like you know, I think you got the idea. So this is the sequence BDAC, right? Otherwise BDA का link भी आ जाएगा तो you would know that C option as a statement should be put in the end because BDA are linked very perfectly. Okay, so guys, this is the answer BDAC. Moving on to the next question. Okay, so this is the ninth question that we have on the screen. It's a lengthy question. Okay, I'm going to give you 2 minutes. The question is not tough. Like the question is easy. It's an actual CAT question. Question easy है. ठीक है, थोड़ी sentence लेंदी है, उससे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता. Easily 2 minutes के अंदर solve हो जाएगा. Your time starts now, and then we discuss the question in 2 minutes. Okay, get started. Last 20 seconds. Last 20 seconds, and then we discuss the question. So guys, जल्दी देखो किस किस का solve हुआ. Okay, last 20 seconds. Now last 10 seconds actually. Okay, so let me take this for discussion. Okay, so guys, look at the starting statement. कहाँ पे introduction हो रहा है? देखो, C option. The QWERTY design patented by Christopher Sholes in 1868 and sold to Remington in 1873 aimed to solve a mechanical problem of early typewriters. Now this is the introduction. कि QWERTY design जो था उसको किसने पेटेंट कराया, लाइक व्हाई वाज QWERTY design patented? Because it aimed to solve a mechanical problem of the early typewriters. अच्छा, अब C option is the starting statement and it introduces the idea that the QWERTY keyboards, okay, the QWERTY keyboards, like they were designed to solve a certain problem of the typewriters. Mechanical problem की बात हो रही है of typewriters, which was being solved by QWERTY design. Okay, so now let's look at what the problem was and how was it solved. So if I look at E option, when certain combination of keys were struck quickly, the type bars often jam. So this is the problem. When you struck the keys very quickly, the type bars will jam. Okay. Now A option says to avoid this. So this is again a demonstrative pronoun. Avoid this. किसको avoid करोगे आप? Jamming को. So what is this? This is basically referring to jamming. So यहाँ पे से this jamming picks up the reference and this is what is being avoided. Okay, so that means E and A option are combined. E and A option are sequence, right? Acha, so E and A option. So A option is saying to avoid this, the QWERTY keyboards put a key most likely to be hit in rapid succession opposite side. This made the keyboard slow. The story goes, but that was the idea. So A option is saying that okay, the problem was solved, but this made the keyboard slow. Acha. Then now you look at B option, it talks about different layout. A different layout which has been patented by August Dvorak in 1930s was shown to be much faster. तो यार B option में कह रहे हो कि एक दूसरा version है वो ज़्यादा faster है. And then D option में there is this word yet. Yet means despite this, इसके बावजूद. What happened? यार faster तो था लेकिन yet the Dvorak layout had never been widely adopted, even though the anti-jamming rationale for QWERTY had been defunct for years. तो guys यहाँ पे yet का use क्यों हो रहा है? Yet का use इसलिए हो रहा है because B option says that okay there was this patented version that was much faster, yet it was never adopted. तो faster है लेकिन fast होने के बावजूद भी adopt नहीं किया. Okay, and this was despite the fact that the QWERTY rationale is now defunct. It's no longer in operation. So obviously you might have adopted the faster version, but despite the fact that okay this was faster, yet it was not adopted. So very easily our B and D option are also combined. B and D option are also sequence. So your final sequence क्या हो गया? Very easily. Okay. So guys, I hope you got this. चले next पे. Okay, so on the screens, this is the next question. 2 minutes, get started, and then we take it for discussion. Actual cat question, guys. One minute left. Last 10 seconds, and then we take it for discussion. Okay, guys, so let's discuss. Okay, so best starting statement, C option. In early June, PeopleSoft said that it would buy JD Edwards, a small rival. 4 days later, Oracle announced its own bid for PeopleSoft and invited the firm's board for discussion. So see here, own bid. ठीक है, यानी कि इसके पहले भी किसी बिड की बात हुई है. देखो, when I say 4 days later, Oracle announced its own bid, that means there was some bid that was already mentioned before it, right? Okay, so you picked up that hint and you realize कि यार first starting option कौन सा C, and then you say A option says its own bid. Now C option saying in early June PeopleSoft said that it would buy JD Edwards, a smaller rival. So that was a bid, right? 4 days later, Oracle announced its own bid for PeopleSoft and invited the firm's board for discussion. अच्छा, अब यहाँ पे चीज देखो. If you look at B option and D option, D option features moreover. And if you look at the discussion, B and D are also linked. Let me read it out. Furious that his own plans had been endangered, PeopleSoft boss Craig Conway called the oracles of a diabolical. Diabolical is something that is evil, and its boss Larry Ellison a sociopath. Moreover, said Mr. Conway. That means this statement is adding to what Mr. Conway has already said. So, moreover is a word that shows that this is in continuation to what he has already been saying. Like this was what he said, and this is in addition to what he already said in B option. We have more easily this is again talking about Mr. Conway. So B and D go together. Okay, Mr. Conway said he could imagine no price or combination of price and other conditions to recommend accepting the offer. So guys, क्या हो रहा है यहाँ पे कि सी ए ऑप्शन के अंदर जो ए ऑप्शन है that talks about the oracle making a bid for PeopleSoft. Now when the boss of PeopleSoft hears about the bid or when he learns about the bid, he becomes furious. Okay, why is furious? Okay, that is given in B and D option. Like he feels furious and says that okay, like we are not going to accept this offer. And you see B option में लिखा है furious that his own plans had been endangered. So B option says his own plans had been endangered. Which plans? The plans of buying JD Edwards. So C A option are combined. Okay, because C option starts with the discussion, starts the discussion. Then the C option is also talking about the plans to buy JD Edwards. What happens then? The Oracle puts a bid. Oracle ने bid किया. Oracle ने bid किया तो the boss of the PeopleSoft, okay, is not very happy with the bid, and that is why CA के बाद में BD आ रहा है, because when B option says furious that his own plans had been endangered, तो भाई कौन से plans की बात हो रही है? वही plans है जो CA के अंदर mentioned है. Okay, where C option said that he's planning to PeopleSoft is planning to buy JD Edwards. And then B and D option together. What are they talking? B and D option में क्या बात हो रही है? B and D option are basically saying that the boss of PeopleSoft, Craig Conway, was not ready to accept the offer. No price, no combination, no condition, no recommendation. Okay, nothing will make him accept the offer. And that is when you say E option on June 12th, PeopleSoft turned the Oracle down. Okay, so boss, ये जो पूरा combination है CABDE, that is how it works. Okay, so that is what is going to be the final answer. CABDE. Okay, so guys, अच्छा question था, actual cat question है. Okay, I hope you understood the logic. राइट और नहीं भी समझ में आया तो आप उसको वापस से देख सकते हो बट दिस इज हाउ इट वर्क्स. ओके, सो दैट इज व्हाई आई सेड सीक्वेंस ऑफ इवेंट्स बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. ठीक है, क्योंकि इसमें सीक्वेंस का बहुत इंपॉर्टेंस था. ठीक है, सी ऑप्शन में आपने स्टार्ट किया दैट PeopleSoft was planning to buy JD Edwards. Then you said that okay, now the Oracle comes up with its own bid से आपको पता चल गया कि इससे पहले कोई बिड आई होगी तो आपका CA का लिंक आ गया. फिर B and D option talk about the boss of PeopleSoft being very furious that okay, no, I'm not going to accept the bid because no offer can convince. Okay, like the Oracle offer is diabolical. फिर जब आपने B or D option में when you talked about like why like he was so furious and like what the things he said, and then finally you said that okay, the offer was rejected by the Oracle. Okay, on June 12th the offer was rejected. Okay, so I hope ये समझ में आया question. Moving on to the next one. Okay, so here comes the 11th question, and again, you have 2 minutes for this question, and then we take it for discussion. So, guys, your time starts now, and then we take it for discussion. 2 minutes. Okay, quickly solve this question. Let's see how many of you are able to find the answer. Last 20 seconds, guys. 20 seconds. Okay, so let me take this for discussion. Right, so let's see. What is the best starting statement? If I say, if I look at all the options, the best starting statement is E option. Gender is certainly a contributor to societal inequality, but it does not act independently of class. देखो ई ऑप्शन डिस्कशन को रिड्यूस कर रहा है कि sorry, gender is the reason for inequality, but class is also an important factor because gender and class both act together when it comes to inequality. See, gender means male or female. Inequality, societal inequality, you already know what is inequality. ठीक है कि आपके पास एक unequal सोसाइटी है, लेकिन क्लास का भी इंपॉर्टेंस होता है, लाइक यू कमिंग फ्रॉम लाइक rich class or you're coming from a poor class. So E option says that okay, gender is certainly contributed to societal inequality, but it is not acting independently of class. That means class का भी इफेक्ट पड़ता है apart from gender in inequality. बहुत अच्छी बात है, E option से स्टार्ट किया. अच्छा, then C, B option, belonging to privileged class can help a woman to overcome many barriers that obstruct women from less thriving classes. अब देखो, आपने भी क्या बोला कि इनइक्वालिटी में जेंडर और क्लास दोनों का फर्क पड़ता है, ठीक है, और फिर आप एक्सप्लेन कर रहे हो दैट when you belong to privileged class that will help you to overcome many of the barriers that will not be overcome by less thriving classes. Simple language mein, if you come from a rich class, if you come from a rich family, it will help you to overcome many barriers which maybe other women would not be able to cross. ठीक है, तो यहाँ पे क्लास की इंपॉर्टेंस को आपने बताया एंड क्लास इज समथिंग दैट वाज बीइंग डिस्कस्ड इन ई ऑप्शन आल्सो. नाउ if you look at C option and D option, C option is saying it is the interactive presence of these two kinds of deprivation. तो यार यहाँ पे deprivation की और दो तरह की deprivations की combination की बात हो रही है C option में, ठीक है, तो एक लिंक तो हमने बना लिया EB, right? Now you see C and D option, a congruence of class deprivation and gender discrimination. मतलब पता है क्या हुआ कि अगर class deprivation और gender discrimination दोनों हो जाए, ठीक है, then it will make your life hell. Okay, so D option is saying a congruence of class deprivation and gender discrimination can blight the life of poor women very severely. Okay, that means कि यहाँ पे जो बातचीत हो रही है वो ये हो रही है कि अगर ये दोनों ही प्रॉब्लम्स हो जाए तो इट कैन क्रिएट a lot of problem for you because this will blight the life of poor women very severely. And this is the interaction of these two kind of deprivation, that is low class एंड जेंडर डिस्क्रिमिनेशन, राइट? सो डी सी ऑप्शन का भी बड़ा अच्छा लिंक आ रहा है, because C option says these two kinds of deprivation. Which two kinds of deprivation? Class deprivation and gender discrimination. तो DC भी linked है. अच्छा, EB introduction है, DC linked है. That means कि यहाँ पे best sequence क्या आएगा? EB. Okay, so guys, आपको समझ में आया? ठीक है. So E option starting statement था. Then we move on to B option, because B option is actually expanding on what was already said in E option. Then we looked at D option and C option, and we realized that C option talks about two kinds of deprivation, and these two kinds of deprivation are already mentioned in D option. Acha, EB is general in discussion, and DC is a more specific thing where you talk about those two kinds of deprivation. ठीक है, तो जो इंट्रोडक्शन है वो तो ईबी के साथ ही हो रहा है, ओके, और जो आपका कंटिन्यूएशन है वो डीसी के साथ हो रहा है, सो दैट मींस द बेस्ट पेयर वुड बी ईबी डीसी। ठीक है गाइस, ओके। अच्छा, इसके अंदर हमारे पास, अच्छा अभी एक ऑप्शन और बच गया, ईबी डीसी, एंड यू हैव ए ऑप्शन आल्सो, राइट? सो वी कैन पुट ए ऑप्शन इन द एंडिंग. Now, A option is not making a very strong pair, but then easily it can fit in the end, because यहाँ पे caste की बात हो रही थी, right? If you see uh, this one, C option, it is the interactive presence of these two kinds of deprivation, being low class and being female, that massively impoverishes women from the less privileged classes. So less privileged classes के अंदर क्या होता है? These two type of deprivations, they come together. Similarly, turning to caste, even though being lower caste is undoubtedly a separate cause of disparity, its impact is greater when the lower caste families also happen to be poor. तो guys, ये जो है ना, ये basically A option जो है, ये इस कॉम्बिनेशन का एग्जाम्पल है, ठीक है? क्योंकि देखो, आपने सी ऑप्शन में कहा कि इन दी लेस प्रिविलेज क्लासेस दीज टू काइंड ऑफ डेप्रिवेशन दे कंबाइन, okay, there is a presence of these two types of deprivation, and this gives you an example. If you see, similarly, turning to caste, even though there is lower caste is undoubtedly a separate cause of disparity, its impact is greater when the lower caste families also happen to be poor. So when the lower caste family is also poor, तो combine हो गया ना कि एक तो lower caste क्या हो, and then you have deprivation. That means you are poor also. So you are lower caste as well as poor. So this is something that continues the same idea of the combination of two types of deprivation that was already done in DC. Okay, so that means A option आपका इनके बाद में आ गया। अब यहाँ पे जो वो इजी जो पार्ट था ना, वो कौन सा था? ईबी को आप लिंक कर सकते हो, डीसी को आप लिंक कर सकते हो, बहुत इजीली हो जाएगा। ईबी वेरी इजी पेयर, डीसी वेरी इजी पेयर, ए इज नॉट दैट इजी, राइट? सो गाइस, यहाँ पे ना आपको एक चीज ध्यान रखनी है, व्हेनेवर देयर इज अ डेड सेंटेंस, ओके, कभी भी आपको ऐसा लगे ना कि यार कोई डेड सेंटेंस आ गया, डेड सेंटेंस का मतलब कॉम्बिनेशन ना बन नहीं पा रहा है यार, कॉम्बिनेशन किसी के साथ कनेक्ट नहीं हो रहा, सो दिस इज समथिंग दैट यू कैन ट्राई पुटिंग इट इन द एंड, राइट? सो 5 ऑप्शंस है, 5 में से 4 के कॉम्बिनेशन बन गए। लाइक फॉर एग्जांपल, इन आवर केस EB वाज लिंक्ड वेरी इजीली, DC गॉट लिंक्ड अगेन वेरी इजीली, but then the problem was with the A option, because A option was like was a sort of option that could not easily link with any of these. So what you can do, you can try putting it in the ending and then see if it makes sense. Okay, in many cases, in most cases I would say it will make sense, क्योंकि जनरली जो डेड सेंटेंसेस होते हैं, ऐसे सेंटेंसेस जो इजीली लिंक नहीं हो पा रहे होते, वो जनरली लास्ट में आपके प्लेस करने पे लिंक हो जाते हैं, लास्ट वाला जो ऑप्शन होता है, राइट? तो गाइस, ये आपका ऑप्शन हो गया यहाँ पे, ठीक है? एंड नाउ वी मूव ऑन टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Okay, so guys, I think you can see it on the screen, and again you have 2 minutes. So after that we take it for discussion. So your time starts now. Okay, get started, 2 minutes, and then we take it for discussion. Okay, guys, one more minute. Last 20 seconds, guys, and then we take it for discussion. Okay, chalo, let's discuss. Now, see, let me first look at the introduction. So, if I look at all the options, the best option that introduces is this fourth option. Revolt is of two types. There's a violent revolt, which is a mere reaction without understanding against the existing order, and then there's the deep psychological revolt of intelligence. So, fourth option is introduction. Fourth option, introduction, and no doubts about it. Sure. Like, look at third option and first option. There are many who revolt against established orthodoxies only to fall into new orthodoxies, further illusions, and concealed self-indulgences. Indulgences. That means, आप ये कह रहे हो, बहुत से लोग होते हैं who revolt against the established orthodoxy. Orthodoxy means the old type of thinking. But then once they get into once they get out of this old orthodoxy, established orthodoxy, they again fall into some new orthodoxy. तो एक प्रॉब्लम से निकलते हैं, एक रिवोल्ट से निकलते हैं, ओके, एक चीज का जो रिवोल्ट कर रहे हैं उससे निकलते हैं और फिर वापस से किसी दूसरी ऑर्थोडॉक्सी में फंस जाते हैं. Okay, so there are many who revolt against the established orthodoxy only to fall into new orthodoxies, further illusions and concealed self-indulgences. Okay, and that obviously involves new illusions and new indulgences. अच्छा, फिर आपने कहा what generally happens is that we break away from one group or set of ideals and join another group. तो basically वही तो बात हो रही है, ठीक है, you get out of the established orthodoxy and then you get into new orthodoxies. So what is third option saying is basically being continued in the first option. So that means 3 and 1 are linked option, there is no doubt about it. So 3 1 का link है, यहाँ पे लिख लेते हैं इसको, 3 1 is linked, right? Now comes फिफ्थ एंड सेकंड ऑप्शन का पेयर. अब देखो फिफ्थ और सेकंड का बहुत अच्छा पेयर है. रिएक्शन ओनली ब्रीड्स अपोजिशन एंड रिफॉर्म नीड्स फर्दर रिफॉर्म. सो यहाँ पे देखो बात हो रही है आपकी रिएक्शन की, कि रिएक्शन से ना अपोजिशन होता है एंड रिफॉर्म नीड्स फर्दर रिफॉर्म. तो रिएक्शन ओनली ब्रीड्स अपोजिशन, रिएक्शन करोगे तो अपोजिशन होगा, ठीक है. अब यहाँ पे देखो सेकंड ऑप्शन में क्या लिखा है, बट देयर इज एन इंटेलिजेंट रिवोल्ट विच इज नॉट रिएक्शन, नॉट रिएक्शन, ठीक है. सो गाइज यहाँ पे रिएक्शन नॉट रिएक्शन, कंट्रास्ट के लिए यू हैव द कंजंक्शन बट. तो कनेक्ट हो रहा गाइज. यहाँ पे आप कह रहे हो कि रिएक्शन करोगे तो अपोजिशन होगा और उससे कोई फायदा नहीं होगा, ठीक है. बट अगर आप इंटेलिजेंट रिवोल करोगे विच इज नॉट रिएक्शन, विच कम्स विद सेल्फ नॉलेज थ्रू द अवेयरनेस ऑफ वंस ओन थॉट एंड फीलिंग, तो मे बी उसका कुछ और रिजल्ट होगा. So if you look at fifth option and second option, you talk about reaction and not reaction. That means contrast, right? So fifth and second, because of this word reaction and not reaction and the presence of this conjunction but, which is actually contrast. Okay, fifth and second option are also linked. तो फाइनली ये इंट्रोडक्शन हो गया हमारा, ठीक है. अब सीक्वेंस को देखते हैं. जनरल डिस्कशन कहाँ से, फोर्थ ऑप्शन से, फिर उसके बाद में स्पेसिफिक एग्जांपल कौन सा, 3 1, एंड देन फाइनली 5 and 2. Okay, so you can see that this introduces the idea of revolt. Then you talk about the people who get out of one revolt and fall into the other type of revolt. This again emphasizes or expands on what is already given in the third option. That means how it happens that we get out of one set of ideals and then again we fall into the other set of ideals. The same discussion that was done in third option. So 3 and 1 का जो basic agenda वो same ही था, ठीक है. And then finally you talk about reaction. which breeds opposition, and then you say that there is one more thing known as intelligent revolt, and this intelligent revolt is not about reaction. So reaction, not reaction. So 5 and 2 are also linked very easily. So this becomes 4, 3, 1, 5, 2. This is the answer. तो गाइज ये समझ में आया होगा आपको, ठीक है? सो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन पे आते हैं हम लोग. ओके. So guys, this is the next question, the last question for the day. Okay, so quickly solve this question. ये वैसे easy question है, मैं आपको इसके लिए 1 minute दे रहा हूँ, ठीक है? Because I think this question can be solved in 1 minute, ठीक है? And then I take it for discussion. You, if you want, you can take some more time, but I think 1 minute में बहुत easily solve हो जाएगा. तो guys, start कर दो, ठीक है? I'm looking at the timer, and then we take it for discussion. Okay, so time starts now. Quickly, 1 minute, and then we take it for discussion. Okay, so guys, time up. चलो last question discuss करते हैं. Let's have a discussion on this. देखो, second option. Oh, winters, don't they have their own charm? Okay, so second option talks about winters, and it says that don't you think that winters have their own charm? Nights are even lovelier over this majestic season. Season की बात हो रही है भाई. Winters season. That means second and fourth option are linked because second option talk about winters and fifth option talk about season, majestic season. So when will you say nights are lovelier over this majestic season? When you've already mentioned which season are you talking about? Winters. Second and fourth clearly linked. Okay, let me look at these. Third option says if the alarm is at it again, the devil never lets me sleep. अब देखो एक चीज आई होप यहाँ पे आपको क्लिक हो रही होगी वैसे तो. When you say the devil never lets me sleep, okay, which is the devil that you're referring to? Obviously the alarm. That means कि first option के अंदर, first option में, okay, जो बात हो रही है, third option में जो बात हो रही है, that is about the alarm, right? There's no confusion about it. तो इसमें यहाँ पे कोई confusion. Okay, ठीक है. Okay, so this is यार not fourth option actually, fifth option था 2 5. So winters and this season. So 2 5 का लिंक था ना पहले वाला, ठीक है? अच्छा, alarm. Okay, so guys, here वाला question है हमारा. Okay, so yeah, so we can see this that in the 11th question, we've already identified that winters and season, they're in sequence here. Winters, don't they have their own unique charm? So we're talking about winters, and then you look at nights are even lovelier over this majestic season. So season किसकी बात हो रही है? You're talking about winters only. So that means that this time 2 5 का sequence, there's no problem in this. So 2 5 we have already identified. Now guys, if I look at this, if the alarm is at it again, I send the accursed thing into a snooze, the devil never lets me sleep. So first of all, what should have happened? The alarm rang, the alarm is at it again. What do you do when the alarm rings and you're not in the mood to get up? Okay, what happens? You put it in this. So 3, 4. And then you finally say that this devil never lets me sleep. So this is a sequence. So first you talk about winters. You mentioned that okay, this is the lovely season. Uh, Nights are even lovelier. Then you talk about the alarm and the fact that it does not allow you to sleep, and then finally you say that they will never let you sleep. So this is the sequence 25341, 25341. This is the final sequence. Guys, I hope समझ में आ गया होगा. Finally, taking one more question, the last question, and this is the odd one out. Okay, so what you have to do is that out of these five options, you have to see which one is the odd one. Okay, so five options are given, four options will make a combination, and one option would be odd one out. So I'm going to give you 2 minutes for this, and then we take it for discussion. So just have a look, and then we take it for discussion. 2 minutes, guys. Just have a look at this question and tell me what should be. Last 20 seconds, guys. Take it for discussion. Okay, so let's have a now see. The discussion is basically about an injury that happened while he was playing a match, while Nadal was playing a match, and um, this injury led him to withdraw. And then he goes on to say that okay, there's nothing to be worried about because like the injury is not that serious. Okay, so this is what the discussion is. So let's see. Now, if I look at first option, it says Nadal battled admirably against Marek Cilic yesterday, twice going on a setup in the Australian Open quarter final. But while he was playing, but a leg injury apparently sustained during the fourth set forced him to retire during the fifth while trailing 2-0. So you're talking about a certain match that was happening and he was playing admirably. Nadal was playing well. But then during that match, what happened that there was an injury, leg injury. Acha. After the leg injury, he withdrew. So withdrawal की बात हुई. So then comes the fourth option, his withdrawal. Why did he withdraw? Because of the injury. Okay, leg injury, he withdrew. Now when he withdrew, what happened? His withdrawal sparked fears he may have suffered a recurrence of the knee injury that left him unable to start his pre-season training until the Christmas. But he has allayed. That means like he has like he has um, mitigated those concerns that okay, there's nothing like that. कि तो उसने उस चीज की इंटेंसिटी को कम कर दिया कि नहीं ऐसा नहीं है कि मुझे कोई बहुत ज्यादा सीरियस इंजरी होगी. There is no concern with the statement today. Now he says that the injury is not serious, so there's nothing to be afraid about, there's nothing to be concerned about. So that is what he says. After that painful withdrawal last night at the Australian Open, today I had an MRI here in Melbourne. Nadal posted on the social media. Okay, so I had this injury, but there's nothing to be concerned about, and I had an MRI as well. मतलब यार यहाँ पे जो discussion हो रहा है that is about a certain match, about an injury that happened during that match, and then the fact that okay the injury is not serious and he has given the statement. Now, if I see, I can find that one, three, four, five. they form a very clear link. Okay, first option starts the discussion on a certain match that was played, Australian Open quarter final. Then it goes on to say that the injury happened during the match. Then it says his withdrawal because he withdraws. So after that withdrawal, the discussion starts, and then he says that okay, the withdrawal is because of a knee injury, and like people become concerned, but then he goes on to say that okay, there's nothing to be concerned about. He allays, he mitigates the concerns that people have about his injury. And then finally, he says that he has posted an MRI. He has got an MRI, and this was something that he got an MRI was posted on social media also. So 1, 3, 4, 5 is a clear cut sequence. So which one is going to be the odd one out? This one, success. The Spanish giant has achieved some staggering success in his career because the pura discussion, the whole discussion was about injury, was about how people are concerned about the injury and how he goes on to allay their concern that okay, the injury is not serious. And the second option is a standalone option because it talks about success in his career. So guys, ये जो option है, this option, second option is clearly the odd one out. Okay, so I think this is the last question. Okay, so this is the last question. And before I end this session, there are two things I want to say. First of all, see, all paragymnals are not tough, but all paragymnals are also not easy. So you have to be very cautious in choosing the paragymnal. So the intelligence lies in your choice. So you get that 3 or 4 paragymnal or whatever the number of questions that come in paragymnals. You first decide which paragymnals you want to do. Okay, now this session help you, I hope, in identifying the sort of questions that can be done easily. You also looked at certain ways in which I solve the questions and how I form those links. Okay, and in the starting, I said the story method. That means you have to connect. Okay, it's not about grammar that much. Okay, it's about your ability to connect those sentences. What is the flow of the story? Where is it starting? Okay, what is happening? And how do you think that the story comes to an end? So, unless you're able to connect with the content of the discussion, then you will not be able to find out the answer. So guys, वो चीज बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, you be able to track the story. So that is one thing. Second चीज जो मैं बोलना चाहता हूँ before I end this session is that odd one out questions are always easier than the paragymnals. So even if you plan to leave some paragymnals, at least do all questions that come in odd one out, because in odd one out, even if you know that this sentence does not fit in the context and you don't exactly know what is the sequence, till you get the answer. Okay, so the chances of error in odd one out is much, much, much less as compared to the chance of error that you have in paragymnals. In paragymnals, you have to actually connect all the sentences, so there is more chance of committing a mistake. In the case of odd one out, the chances are very low that you would actually make a mistake. तो बहुत easily odd one out के आप चाहो तो सारे questions कर सकते हो, because in odd one out like you have to just find out the sentence which is not in the same like the same flavor of discussion, and like you can find out that one sentence that you think is the odd one out and it does not match with the flavor of the rest of the discussion. ओके सो गाइज वो चीज इजी होती है, तो ऑड वन आउट मैं सजेस्ट करूंगा कि वो तो सारे ही कर देना, ठीक है। बाकी आपका डिसीजन वहां पे देखना कि कैसा है क्या चीज है, ठीक है, बट बी वेरी स्मार्ट, बी वेरी वाइज in making that choice of questions. Okay, so guys, I hope you learned something from this session. See you in the next session. Best of luck for the exam. Thank you very much.